Once comes this rush of wings afar, following straight the Noel star. Birds from the woods in wondrous flight, Bethlehem seek this holy night. Tell us, ye birds, why come ye here into this stable poor and bare? Hastening we seek the newborn King, and all our sweetest songs we bring. Hark how the green finch bears its part, Philomel too with tender heart. Chants from their leafy dark retreat, Re mi fa sol in anthem sweet. Angels and shepherds, birds of the sky, come where the Son of God doth lie. Christ on earth with man doth dwell. Join in the shout, Noel, Noel. Whence comes this rush of wings afar, following straight the Noel star? Birds from the woods in wondrous flight,